Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm going to showcasing you one of the beautiful upcoming and arrived collections in the beautiful concepts in the cotton, and range will be whatever the concepts I'm going to showcasing you. Please take the screenshots and send it to the screen available number. All the varieties I'm going to showcasing you, these are brand new collections in our company. So guys, any of the concepts you may be like, whatever the ranges, how many investment you have to do, these kind of ranges or these kind of concepts I'm going to showcasing you. See, in these kind of beautiful varieties you want to see. In these kind of, you're going to be noticed in the pallu, you will be extraordinary golden zaried work also. These kind of very beautiful concepts are very preferable in the southern regional of India. Like many of the concepts like Hyderabad or many of the Karnataka or many of these kind of varieties and concepts like southern and regional concepts in India. Many of the customers from Malaysia or Singapore, that kind of the ranges and concepts like are also well preferred. See, many of the varieties I'm going to showcasing you, they all are come under these kind of ranges with these kind of beautiful Gadwal cotton concepts. See, you're going to be noticing this kind of beautiful jaried also work. These kind of very preferable in the Maharashtrian region also and some of the southern regional concepts also. I'm just showing only the single color of the single saree. Set wise you have to purchase 6-7 color shades in each sets you're going to be having in these kind of sarees. Apart from that, if you're going to be interested, then please know me in our comment sections. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in any of our comment section. Guys, 50,000, 30,000, these are the some beautiful concepts and starting range of investment you will be get in this variety. See, 6 to 7, like always I said, 7 different color shades you will be get in this kind of variety. See, full saree I'm going to opening for you because these kind of many of the regional or many of the shops are there, they are just saying in these kind of variety. See, these kind of very beautiful variety you going to be see in our company. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting these kind of variety. Ranges will be 100 and 125 or 300, 200, 400, 500. That kind of the ranges you're going to be see in this video, guys. Any of the concepts you're going to be like, then we can provide you video call facility also. On that video call facility, whatever the product you will be selected, the same exact product will be delivered at your own destination. Next concepts I'm going to showcasing you. All the sarees will be coming in the range of 6.30 meter approx. This kind of length you will be get. There will be no any kind of shortage in any of our sarees. The same exact product will be delivered at your own doorstep, and the range will be also same. Let me remind you our range system, that either you will be the wholesaler, either you will be have a good established shop also, then also the ranges will be same. And if you want or interested to start your own new businesses, then also you can do in our company and invest our company just at the range of 20 to 25,000, that kind of ranges and departments also. In these varieties, many of the concepts you will be get. See, in these kind of beautiful packaging items also you will be get like this kind of variety. See, one of the boxes items you will be revealed in our variety. See, in these kind of beautiful concepts, all the regional taste of India you will be get at under one roof, which you name it Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, in this video, see, apart from that, these kind of sets you also have catalog system also. In these catalog system, like see, these kind of 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get in here only. See, these kind of beautiful sets also you will be get. See, like one of the sarees I'm going to opening for you. These kind of beautiful concepts and beautiful sarees, either in will be the cotton, or either you will be preferable in the silk, cotton, kurtis, or many of the lehengas or many of the ladies wear items. All you will be get at under one stop destination. So guys, please, any of your queries will be left, then please know me in our comment sections. All the queries will be counted. If you are interested to call the screen available number, they will guide you at your each step. If you are new in this kind of textile industry, then also they will guide you that what will be the range, what will be the preferences according to your native area. All the guidance and all the details they will give you. You have to just call them. So guys, in this video, that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our company. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.